Hi, my name's Kim Morton, and I serve as the Director of Student Life and Leadership at the University of Alaska Anchorage, where we believe engagement enriches the student experience. And boy, do we have lots of fun opportunities for you this semester. We're going to start off with Campus Kickoff on August 22nd from 5 to 7 p.m. Now, normally we get to hang out in the beautiful Cuddy Quad, but this year you'll be able to join us from the comfort of your own home. And we will still have all the games and fun things that we normally have at Campus Kickoff, including trivia, scavenger hunt, Valorant with faculty or staff, and of course there's going to be prizes, so make sure you join us on August 22nd, 5 to 7 p.m. During the fall semester, we'll continue weekly programs and lots of our traditional programs as well. So the Banff Mountain Film Festival, Homecoming Week, Haunted Halloween Fun Night, and our Student Involvement Fair are all going to continue to be happening. In addition, get involved with the Student Involvement Fair so you can meet some of our clubs and organizations if you want to stay involved that way. All of our clubs and organizations are going to continue to meet and have events virtually, either through Zoom or another platform, so that you can still be engaged with the UAA community. And make sure you follow us on social media so you can stay updated on what's happening with all of our engagement opportunities at UAA Life and at UAA student activities. Make sure you stay involved, engaged, and committed to the UAA community. We're so excited for you to be on campus and for you to see us all virtually in the fall semester. Go Sea Wolves!